Hello, my name is Adam Cabezas, and I will be presenting UTheta. All right, a little bit about me and the project. I'm a CS major, and the story behind UTheta comes from the rising age of the internet. More and more people use the internet every day, integrating and merging into our daily functioning. Witnessing how social media users handle different domains and audiences has led me to pitching UTheta. Let's get started. The problem statement is that social media users often manage multiple audiences within one profile. The example here on the right, this user is managing two audiences. The social media handles for each audience exist, but the issue is that it can mess up the audience reach, therefore creating issues with privacy and security and brand consistency. The solution to this is UTheta, which allows you to use this feature so you can choose exactly who sees each post every time you post it. So what's close to you stays close to you and your intended audience. How it works is that every time you click post, you have the option to choose your audience or create a new group. Or you can select which set of users sees your posts. Regardless, you are in charge of who sees your posts every time, so that no one else has access. Only you and the people you choose to see your posts. You can even choose which group you're in. That way you can also select which content you view. The competitive advantage of UTheta is that current platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok rely only on algorithmic distribution to promote and push content. For UTheta, it includes audience segmentation in addition to protect privacy and branding consistency and to optimize intended audience reach so that it reaches the specific users only within the intended audience. How UTheta compares to the existing social media today is that it will add user-controlled algorithmic feed as well as full control over groups and visibility within the content. The target market as of right now are student creators and micro-influencers as they struggle the most, balancing personal and branded content while posting through social media, and it will soon influence and affect the social media landscape by touching on creators, influencers, and later on ordinary social media users. The market strategy is that we first introduce the product to micro influencers and student creators because they struggle the most with personal versus brand content. After that, promote UTheta via creator networks and social media entrepreneurship programs, and then finally integrate UTheta within the existing platforms to offer premium creator tools and provide advanced analytics and segmentation features. The traction that shows the progress is that creator interviews increased from 5 to 23 users. In summary, 75% of the social media audience wants segmentation groups and tools, suggesting that users want more than one close friends group to easily segment and handle their audiences better. The next steps as of right now is that we are looking for software component for the software people who can handle the software components, specifically both the backend language and front end language. Python with fast API, JavaScript, HTML and CSS and TypeScript are most preferred for this for this product. And once the product is done, we would need software testers. Social media users, they can test the product and determine how well the product suits the intended purpose by segmenting the audiences, and also student creators and micro influencers as the as the project progresses. And that is all for today. Thank you very much, and I hope to promote UTheta.